What's up guys, it's Maham. So today's video is going to be a little different. I'm just going to start talking and we'll see where it goes and if this is actually fun. So I'm doing an acrylic set. First I'm applying a primer, because primer is really important and stuff. Now I'm just going to put on a gel base coat because yeah, I said acrylic, but I actually am using poly gel for this. So I lied, it's gel. Anyways, here I'm just applying my base coat so the stuff has something to stick to. Here's the reverse form I'm going to be using. I'll have a link for this in the description box below, probably. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put some of my poly gel mixture inside of the reverse form. And I use two different colors, so I'm just going to swirl them together a bit just so they look blended, like an ombre effect. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and stick that right onto my nail. And look, it just sits so perfectly on my nail and it's not even moving around. That's the thing I love about poly gel. It literally doesn't move unless you move it. Okay, this part's actually really important. I'm cleaning up around my nail with an angled eyeliner brush, and I'm going to do the same thing to the underneath of my nail because this helps get rid of any bumps and stuff, so that way after you cure it you have less buffing to do. So then I went ahead and cured it. My lamp was too far away so I couldn't record it, but it would have looked pretty cool. Anyways, I'm just going to go ahead and take off the reverse form now. As you can see, it's a little tricky to get off, and I was kind of scared that my whole fingernail would fall off, but it didn't, and I was fine. So as you can tell, it's way longer than the rest of my nails, and it's really uneven. So I just went ahead and I'm going to start filing it down, although this may take me for the rest of my life to file it down. But you know what, that's okay. Commitment. I'm really dedicated to this. Anyways, right around here is when I decided that this was taking too long to file it down. So I went ahead and wanted to use one of those nail cutters. Don't use these on your actual nails. Bad for your nails. These are acrylic, so it's fine. And I just chopped it right off. And now I'm going to go ahead and buff out my nail to make it all smooth and get rid of that shine. And my favorite part, I'm using a little drill around the sides of my nail just to even further smooth it out. Now I'm going in with some pink poly gel, builder gel. I don't actually know why I did this part. It wasn't super necessary. It's just that my nail looked discolored compared to the other nails, and it felt too thin, so I just added another coat of builder gel because you know I want my nail to be strong and independent like me. Okay, here's the final look. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and I will see you later. Have a nice day.